Hello, what's up guys? Here we are today, and today's video is I'm just flexing my new hairdo. Charan. Diba? This is my new hairdo today. This is my new hair look. Look at my back. Charan. Maganda ba siya, guys? Oh, nagkulot-kulot tayo. And I'm going to show you the style of my, like this, this one. What do you call this one? If you guys want to buy this one, just buy this one and just PM me and I'll give you the best price. Only like this, papasok mo dyan, open like this, like that, lock. And then turn around. Every now and then I fall apart. Like that. See? Every now and then I fall apart. Turn around. Every now and then I fall apart. Like that. And then if you want to release, just do like this. Kayo ha, iba na naman yung naiisip nyo dyan tungkol dito. Girls, don't be naughty. Like that. Okay? See? Aha. Alright. Aha. And then this one. Also like this. Lock. Turn around again. Turn around. Every now and then I fall apart. Aha. Diba? So, very nice, guys. And then if you want to release, just release. Down. Turn around again. And then, just press this one. Alright. Okay. See? Like that, guys, my back is so nice. Wow, I really like it since I like this style. we only try it, guys. If how is it? Bagay ko ba, guys? Do I look nice? Is it nice for me? Ganun lang siya. Ganun lang siya, guys. Okay, guys. Thank you so much for watching. I love you all. Please do subscribe now and please follow my page. Follow Chenglo and do subscribe my like this, guys. If you turn on, just press this one. If you off like that, if turn on, press and there. And if you want to put your hair, just press down and then lock, unlock, lock, and then twist. Just twist and then like that. So, Hello guys. Good evening. Magandang gabi. Pilipinas, Asian, and good morning US, good night Europe, good morning Europe. So today's video is all about unboxing again. So here, guys, my new hairdo. Look, so nice. I really like curly hair. See? Wow. The new hairdo of the hottest May. So to this video, guys, we are going to unbox oil. This is oil from the perfect oil for hair, like that. So there, this is the perfect oil hair nourishing 24K Vibrator Professional. This is from Vibrator Professional. So 24K. So this is made from Salon Professional Products. This is from Salon Professional Products. So this is made from Los Angeles, California, USA. So there, Vibrator Cosmetic Corporation, Los Angeles, CA, California, USA. So this is from USA. I will read for you the perfect oil here. Nourishing has argan oil. This one has an argan oil, a precious oil extracted from the legendary Moroccan argan tree. Its lightweight and fluid texture is ideal for detangling after cleansing, and it adds radiance before or after blow drying. Okay, so let's open, guys. So here, like this. So we will open the plastic, because this one is still in plastic. See? Okay, charan. I'm so interested to see. So guys, I am unboxing the perfect oil for hair nourishing, and 24K. So I buy this in a Chinese shop here in Hong Kong, and it's really nice. It's very soft if you're going to apply to your hair. Bought this one for 89 Hong Kong dollars, and if you want, guys, to buy also yours, then don't hesitate to go and buy, and please don't forget to subscribe my channel. Oh wow, it's like this, see? The perfect oil, Vibrator 24K. I open and show you. It smells good. There is like a small thing inside, like a gold. So we will try like this. Oh, there is a gold coming out, if you can see. See, I will try. It's good smell. And it's very, I like it. It's very, wow. It's very smooth, really. Wow. I love this one. It's very smooth. It's very smooth. Yung kulot natin, our hairstyle already unat. Because my hair is very thin. So like that. Okay. So that is all about today's video about my unboxing on my hair oil. On my hair oil nourishing. So that's all for today's video. Thank you so much. And if you haven't subscribed my channel, please do subscribe now, and don't forget to turn on your notification bell so that you will be updated on my next video. And please don't forget to comment.